Well, hello, my berries. You see where I'm at? Hobby Lobby. It's time to shop. Look how beautiful everything is so far at Hobby Lobby. Oh my God, guys. It's just scream and fall everything. So this floor mat was $29.99, but remember a lot of stuff here is 40% off. So you don't have to actually go by the price on the tag. That cute little rug was 20 bucks and it was a nice size too. Yeah, so all kinds of nice things here at Hobby Lobby for the fall. Like if you want to go traditional, non-traditional, it really doesn't matter. There's stuff for everything for your front porch, like this nice tall welcome sign. It's really, really nice. And this is just the lobby of Hobby Lobby. So just they kind of decorate and everything. This was a cute pillow. I love the orange trim that was on the edge of this particular pillow. It was really, really cute. And it was $39.99. A little pricey, but again, 40% off. But 40 bucks for a pillow. Like I said, guys, I like to do things here on a budget. And while you're here, just to let you know, hi, I am Darkberry32. Welcome to my channel. I like to do everything from cleaning, cooking, decor, DIYs, shopping, as you can see here, and vlogs if given a chance. So yeah, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. So let's just dive right in, child. All right, this was cute. I thought this was a cute little pumpkin. It was like square, 10 bucks, with the little polka dots on it. So it was all different types of style. I mean, look at this, with this filigree type of pumpkin right next to it in all different colors. That was also $10. But again, take 40% off, so I think it would be about 6 bucks. Now, these really caught my eye. I used to get a bad rap because I love the color brown, but these amber glasses were everything to me. You can put a lot of faux fall foliage in those jars, and the big one was $19.99 and that was $12.99. So I think with the 40% off, the $19.99 would bring you down to like 12 bucks or something like that. So that's not bad at all. So look at this, y'all. They already got Christmas going, and I was trying to not show y'all all of that. That'll be for another time. I'm trying to focus on fall. So I thought this was a cute little sign that you could probably put at your entryway or even put it on your table, and it said hello fall, and it was $7.99. So that's probably hardly going to be anything after you take the 40% off. Then I thought these were cute. The little pumpkins here that says very blessed and so thankful, they were really, really super cute. And kind of, excuse me, I went there with my camera but ended up with my phone. Those are $4.99. And I thought and let me just say, I think those pumpkins would be great on a table. Like if you could put cards or something for what do you call it? Like cards, so people will know where they're going to sit, But anyway, I went in there with a camera, and then I was ready to, go and film and forgot to charge the camera. So I thought, okay, I'm not going to come out here for a blank trip. I am going to film on my phone, and I actually like it. It's a lot clearer than what I really thought it would be. So yeah, I thought this was cute. These signs, and it has a little kickstand thing on the back of them. They're $5.99, so you know that they're not going to fall down or anything like that. But these were cute. All these little cute signs. Autumn and what it says, autumn and skies and apple pies, autumn skies and apple pies. And then this little cute little garland thing here that says fall. I thought that was cute. And then just I mean, you cannot go wrong in Hobby Lobby because it's going to have everyone's taste in there. But girl, look at this fall, sweet fall, so cute. $5.99. And if you're not the type of person that has to have your house drenched in all kinds of fall stuff and pumpkins and everything like that, they have stuff for that. Like if you just want to put just a simple sign on your desk or a simple sign on your island or anything like that, or something just in the corner of your kitchen, on the countertop, you can do that. But I thought these were pretty as well. I think they were $11.99. This one was kind of pricey, $28. I was like, okay, but I figured out why. They have lights in them, so that's probably why they were so expensive. But I thought this was cute and was whimsical. I think this is something cute, like if you have children, $15.99 for that. If you have kids or whatever, I think they would totally enjoyed that, seeing the signs light up. And then this was a sign that lit up too. It was $35 and it just said fall. So yeah, really cute. So this is my first time doing this. You guys have to let me know how I'm doing so far. And then look, they even had things for the holidays for your pets, for your dogs and stuff. So now I'm over here with like all the picks and the foliage and all that kind of stuff. There's a big old pine cone. I think it was like $9.99, but I think you also take 40% off of that as well. So all the fall decor, 40% off. And now this side kind of got me a little bit, y'all. And I don't know what they were thinking on some of these prices. Like some of these are like 40 bucks. So that wasn't too bad, but I don't know. I'm like, what are they thinking? I know they're giving us 40% off. I know there was a pandemic. I know that they're trying to make their money up from last year because a lot of people weren't shopping. But y'all, wait till y'all see some of these prices for this garland. I mean, I thought the garland was nice. I even think sometimes that, like I tell y'all, I like to shop on a budget. So I even think that you can get that garland and actually make a wreath out of it in some way and put it on your door or put it somewhere you don't actually have to leave it as garland. Here's another one. It's a little bit shorter. And it's $39.99 as well. But y'all wait till you see some of these other prices. If y'all was with me, I'd be like, girl, come here, look at these prices. Am I looking at this wrong? We'll go back to it. So here's more of these picks and stuff. I thought this particular sunflower is pretty. I love, like, I don't know, it's earth tones that I really like. This was $4. And just know now, I bet y'all like $10 for this and $4. Y'all know that now the whole style is to get like 1 or 2 picks to just put in a glass jar. But look at that. You can see do y'all see how like this wreath was $90? Oh, what? I don't know, but look at that, $80. Y'all, I tell you what, comment below if I'm crazy about these prices. Oh, look at this one. Somebody tore it off. I would have tore it too. $139? Are they kidding? Yeah, no. So we just gonna go on back down this aisle and try to get into something else because that, my friends, was ridiculous. So here's more. Excuse my little thumb. I think my thumb's in the camera. I'm so sorry, y'all, but this is my phone that I'm on. But this is more outdoorsy stuff. And then I'm over here trying to get the price. This is $19.99 for this cute little scarecrow. They had the female and the male scarecrows, and I thought those were cute for $20 if you want to put those on your porch or something like that. And then you got these pumpkins here. They're $40, and you can put those in your yard. I thought it was cute. Like, they had a lot of outdoor, real, how can I say, more on the traditional side of fall. With the oranges and the, that type of thing. I like this little sign though. I wish it was in a different color, but I probably would do it in white or something like that. And just remember, a can of spray paint goes a long way. Remember, we're on a budget. Look at this. No. We're not doing that. Santa, go sit down somewhere. It is not time for you, honey. It is still time for the leaves and the pumpkins and the scarecrows and the goblins and the bats and stuff. And I didn't do any real Halloween stuff. I'm only focusing on fall here. And this galvanized tin bucket is $29.99. Kind of cute. I see that I may need to kind of slow down a little bit. I was somewhat a little nervous because this is my first time doing this, and I was like, what are people gonna think? And then I got to the point where I don't know if I cared what they thought. I thought this was really cute. That pumpkin is cute, $15.99, and this fall sign was really cute as well. It's like square pumpkins with a little wooden branch on top, and it was $29.99. Not bad at all. But look at now, that was very whimsical. I love the way they put all the different designs on the pumpkins in a square. I thought it was cute. I really do. I think that's something to make your kids excited. Oh, I didn't get the price of that one. I'm sorry, guys. Let me see. Did I get the? Oh, there I did. $35. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cute. And then here's some more stuff I think for outside on your lawn is what I think, because it has the little stakes underneath. But here I am kind of showing you, like, that thing that I showed you earlier was $35, but you would only be paying $21. So That is not bad at all. And then I saw this bowl and got distracted and said, okay, I'm here for the fall things. But y'all know I'm kind of also shopping for the new house and everything. As a matter of fact, I would love for you guys to go and watch my series on the journey for our new construction home build. Just to let you know, we're doing that, and I'll be doing a lot of shopping for that as well. Okay, look, there's that same sign in white, the same sign that we saw in orange. And I thought these were cute too, the little wagons that you can fill and put on your front porch, the wheelbarrows, and then even more natural type of pumpkins in white. You don't want to go with that traditional. And I always have like a little scarecrow guy on my bar, and I thought that was cute to see the little scarecrow girl. And I think she was like $19.99 as well. They had a whole, you'll see here later that there's a whole bunch of those little characters that you can put on different things in your house. So here is a pillow that says Morning Pumpkin, and I thought it was cute, but $35 was a little steep. So thank God for the 40% off. So we know that'll be what, 21 bucks or something like that. So not bad. This is more of like, that was 30 bucks for this pillow, but I feel like that's more of that farmhouse type of look. And then I was like, man, those letters look familiar to me. This could not be Rae Dunn. God, I don't think I knew Rae Dunn was in Hobby Lobby, but that pillow is $50. I'm like, Lord, I wish I'd have came up with something that all I had to do was write some words on it and make money. Like, I don't know. I think one piece from her. I know some people that are like obsessed with Rae Dunn and everything she does. I thought this was kind of cute. I think you just put like little tea lights in them, and it was $59.99. It was a little steep, but I thought it was cute, and I thought this was also cute. But like I said, I love that. I don't know. I love the brown light colors, and that was only $16. So you can do a little bit of everything. And then I went over into like, just kind of look at the furniture section, because they have pumpkins and everything throughout the furniture section. And don't forget, if you are looking for furniture, they have furniture there, and it's like 30% off. But look how big this pumpkin was. And it was $150 for this big old pumpkin. And then this one, I believe, was $100 for this one, which I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I was actually considering getting it, because I don't know if you guys have looked at my last video, one of my other videos in the past, where I went thrifting and I found this stackable 3 stacks of white pumpkins, and I was like, oh, that would be cute on one side and have the big white one on the other side on the front porch. Yeah, I thought that would be really cute. And then this caught my eye too. There's so many pumpkins everywhere, but this one was $30, and I thought that was cute. That would be nice to just sit on like a table, like in your front door area. Yeah, the front table. And then this pumpkin that stands on its own is 35 bucks. It was wooden. And then like you see all those other little things. Like, I think something like this could actually go on your front porch, alongside some pumpkins. And all these other things can go in your yard. And I don't know, I don't think I'm going to get carried away and put things in my yard. And I just hope that we're in the new house by November, just so I can put something out, on the front porch. It won't be Halloweeny, but it will be like more fall. And then I thought this was cute as well. Welcome to our patch, $25. And then the green one was $19.99. So yeah, and then here we go, guys. This is what I was talking about. All of our little scarecrow friends, and I thought that was really cute. The black and white. You always kind of see the pumpkins in orange and brown and beige, and the blue jeans. There you go. But I thought the black and white was really cute. And look, that one with the buffalo check shirt was so adorable. This was $35 for this throw, and I loved it, and I hope I show it. Well, you can see it on the black one. It has the little phalange things. I keep saying phalanges, but that's fingers. The little yarn, you know what I'm talking about, hanging from it. I thought that'd be cute on a sofa or something, to make your house warm and cozy. Then that one I think was $9.99. It's grateful with the leather, which is that color leather is what I'm kind of looking for to add in my home as an accent. Okay, so beware, because this is going to take me a while to get and handle and everything. But it was $35. This is the sign that everybody pretty much goes Gaga Goo Goo for, and it says Farm Fresh Autumn Pumpkins or something like that. Oh, Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest, and it's like a copper color. I'm gonna tell you, when I saw that sign on other videos, I thought it was bigger. It's not very big. This was cute. This was, did I say $24.99? I thought it was kind of cute and has like the recipes on it. And then this gave me some trouble because it's glass and I didn't want to break it. This pumpkin up here, I thought it was cute, and I was trying to see what the price is, but you'll see here. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. But look at all this stuff. That's party stuff. Like if you're gonna throw an autumn party, that's all the paper plates and things like that. But here it is again. I thought it was really pretty. It was $29.99. That's what it was. And I just thought that creamy beigey brown. I don't know. I just love it. Love it. And then look, they had this whole setup of the buffalo check black and white. And I love that sign. I think it was $49.99, which was a little steep, but I thought it was super duper cute. But look at all of that. And then I wanted to let you guys know, like, I know that one side that I was on, it had all the decor, but don't forget the other side where all the other picks are for like your vases and things like that, because they have all kinds of fall colors over there too. I believe all of the plant stuff was like, all right guys, so that's the end of my video. I was kind of looking over there for things that I wanted to do for the house, shopping and going shopping with me. I thought it was super duper fun, all on top. There's all kinds of things. I wanted anything, so I wouldn't just stick to one side. I didn't buy anything. I only did this just to kind of see what was out there, trying to kind of get out of the house, to be frank. And also to just bring this to you guys so you'll see what they have in Hobby Lobby. If there's something that you saw, then that way you'll know you can run right over there and you know where to get it, okay? So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video, all right? Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you again. Bye.